So I'm going to be doing a little bit of rooting down, grounding us, and then blooming, and then doing just a little meditation at the end today. So if you want to take your spoon and rub it over the top of your head. If you don't have a spoon, you can flip the hand back and forth. Your hand has polarity. And go ahead and spoon the bottom of your feet. Now is a good time in the springtime to get your bare feet on the ground whenever possible. That really helps to correct your polarities. Do both feet. Just rubbing that spoon doesn't take much to help the polarities. All right, I'm going to set that to the side and then put those feet flat on the ground. Hopefully you have your shoes off, your socks off. Try to get barefoot so that you can really feel your feet rooted down on the earth. Take a deep breath in and let it go. Breathe in through the nose, out through the mouth. Bring the hands up to the collarbone and then drop right underneath, about an inch to either side of the middle. That's that K27. Comes up from the bottom of the foot, that kidney meridian, all the way up the front of the body to this point. Activate all the meridians in your body. It's like turning on, the go button. Green light. Green light. Here we go. Oh yeah, I'm awake. Maybe even bringing a slight smile to your mouth as you're doing this. Activating your radiant circuits, the circuits of joy. Come down to the center of your chest and activate the immune system at the thymus. Very good. Come down to the side body where the spleen ends. Breathe in through the nose, out through the mouth. Integrating and assimilating all the experiences that you have in life through the spleen. It's quite an important function the spleen has. Even if you don't have a spleen, it doesn't matter. You have a spleen meridian. Shake off your hands. Tap right below your eyes and ground that energy. Root the energy down into the earth. Feet are flat on the ground. And then bring your hands down. Pause for a moment. Feel the energy of the body. Feel your feet firmly planted on the ground. And allowing the energy to rise up from the earth. And then lift the right knee, put the right hand on there, lift the left hand's on there, back and forth, walk back and forth. And then brush your hands off, shake it off, right to left, left to right. Doing the cross crawl, crossover patterns in the body, so important to establish those every day. And smile. Creating quite a little beat here. And then stop. I'm sitting at the edge of my seat, right? So I can have a little bit of more sturdy groundedness on the earth. Hands come in front of the pubic bone. Set an intention to be grounded and rooted, centered from within yourself. And breathe in as you lift the hands up to the mouth. Lift up, push that into your energy field. 2 more times. Breathe in as the hands lift up the center, central meridian. Reach up and push that intention out into your field. I am grounded and centered within myself. 1 more time. Excellent. Third finger in the belly button, third finger in the third eye, right in between the eyebrows. Push in, lift up. In through the nose, out through the mouth. 2 more times. Shake it off. And let's bring our fingertips to the middle of the forehead and do the crown pull. Push in, pull apart to the temples, and then shake it off. Push in, lift up a little bit further. Push in the center line and pull apart. Push in at the center line and pull apart. And work over the top of your head. So you're creating some space in between the left and the right hemisphere of the head. Opening up the channels and then opening up the neck. Shake it off. Squeeze the shoulders. Let the hands come over the shoulders and rest at the heart. Pausing there for a moment. Take one hand and go to the opposite shoulder. Squeeze it and slice to the hip. Other side. Squeeze the shoulder, slice to the hip. 2 more times. Squeeze and slice. Squeeze and slice. Excellent. Rub your hands together and shake it off. Feel your feet firmly planted on the earth. Palms of the hands come together. We're going to connect heaven and earth. All right? Take a deep breath in. And then stand up as you reach one hand up towards the heavens, one hand down towards the earth. Palms come together, sit down, make sure that you can hit the chair. Breathe in and then lift up and stretch. Palms come back together, sit down on your chair, breathe in, and then lift up, reach. One more time, palms come together, find your chair, breathe in, and then lift. Reaching up, stretching. And then palms come together, sit down on your chair. Go ahead and hang over your legs. Let the chin come down to the chest. Let the back elongate. Let the body hang over the legs. Cover the big toe with your hand. And let's pull the hands back across the feet, up the inner thigh, or inner calf, inner thigh. Flare out at the hips, come up the side body, past the armpit, and back down to the spleen. And go ahead and rub that in. Rub it in, tap it in. Cross your right ankle above the left knee. Bring the left hand to your ankle. Right hand comes across. Right, so your left is underneath, right hand comes across. Take a hold of the ball of the foot and the toes. Take a breath in as you lift up. You might even lift the leg up. And exhale, place it down. 2 more times. Let's do it 3 more times. It's the Wayne Cook. This is a good one to unscramble your energies. So if you feel scrambled up at all, confused, Wayne Cook. And while we're here, go ahead and just massage the bottom of your foot right at the base of the ball, in between the big toe and the second toe. That's K1. That's a really important point on the foot. Go ahead and massage that a little bit. And then just figure 8. Take your fingers and make a figure 8 over that spot. Excellent. Shake it off. Let's switch sides. Left ankle above the right knee, right hand on that ankle. Left hand comes across, takes a hold of the ball and the toes. Breathe in, pull the leg up. And exhale. Come down. Breathe in. Lift. Exhale, come down. A few more times.